10 amazing facts about Jupiter you didn't know. Did you know that Jupiter is so massive it could swallow all the other planets in our solar system and still have room left? From raging storms larger than Earth to moons that could host alien oceans, Jupiter is not just the biggest planet, it's one of the most fascinating. Today, we re-diving into 10 amazing facts about Jupiter that will completely change the way you look at our cosmic giant. Stick around till the end, because fact number 10 is mind-blowing. Fact 1. Size and mass. First off, let's talk size. Jupiter is enormous. With a diameter of nearly 140,000 kilometers, it's 11 times wider than Earth. In fact, you could line up over 1,300 Earths inside Jupiter. And when it comes to mass, Jupiter is 2.5 times heavier than all the other planets combined. No wonder we call it the king of planets. Fact 2. Brightness and ancient observations. Jupiter is also the fourth brightest object in the night sky, after the Sun, Moon, and Venus. Ancient civilizations noticed this. The Babylonians first recorded Jupiter in the 7th or 8th century BC. To the Greeks, it was Zeus, the god of thunder. Romans named it after Jupiter, their king of gods. And Germanic tribes called it Thor. Across cultures, this planet has always represented power. Fact 3. Fastest day in the solar system. Jupiter has the shortest day of all planets. It spins once on its axis every 9 hours and 55 minutes. That's extremely fast considering its size. This rapid rotation makes the planet slightly squashed at the poles and stretched at the equator, a shape we call oblate. Fact 4. Long orbit. Now, while its days are short, its years are long. Jupiter takes 11.8 Earth years to complete a single trip around the Sun. From Earth, it looks like Jupiter crawls across the sky, taking months just to move from one constellation to another. Fact 5. The Great Red Spot. Perhaps the most famous feature is the Great Red Spot. This gigantic storm has been raging for centuries, at least 350 years. It's so big that 3 Earths could fit inside it. Spinning counterclockwise, it takes 6 Earth days to rotate once. And here's the mystery. We still don't know exactly what makes it red. Fact 6. Atmosphere and clouds. Jupiter's atmosphere is 90% hydrogen and 10% helium, similar to the Sun. The planet's colorful stripes, called belts and zones, are made of ammonia crystals and sulfur compounds. These swirling clouds stretch thousands of kilometers wide, creating some of the most spectacular weather in the solar system. Fact 7. Moons and Ganymede. Jupiter doesn't just dominate space with its size, it also rules with numbers. It has 95 known moons, and 4 of them are absolutely legendary: Io, Europa, Callisto, and Ganymede. Ganymede is the largest moon in the entire solar system. At over 5,200 kilometers across, it's even bigger than Mercury. Fact 8. Rings. Did you know Jupiter has rings too? They're not as flashy as Saturn's, but they exist. Jupiter's rings are made mostly of dust from collisions on its smaller moons. They start about 92,000 kilometers above the cloud tops and extend over 225,000 kilometers out into space. Fact 9. Space missions. So far, 8 spacecraft have visited Jupiter, including Pioneer, Voyager, Galileo, and New Horizons. Right now, NASA's Juno mission is sending back breathtaking images and new discoveries about Jupiter's magnetic field, atmosphere, and even its mysterious core. Future missions will focus on its moons, which may hide oceans beneath their icy crusts. Fact 10. Earth versus Jupiter. Finally, let's put things into perspective. Earth is 12,742 kilometers wide. Jupiter? Nearly 140,000 kilometers. Earth has 1 moon. Jupiter has 95. A year on Earth is 365 days. On Jupiter, it's over 4,300 Earth days. And while Earth's surface can reach up to 58 degrees Celsius, Jupiter averages a freezing minus 108 degrees Celsius. It truly is an alien world. So, whether it's its raging storms, countless moons, or its sheer size, Jupiter is a planet like no other. Which of these facts amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more space wonders, and as always, keep looking up.